Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am sorry, we are going to have to be interested in this whole thing because General Mkhwanazi decided to open a can of worms and we are here for every bit of it, right? So we know that because he came out and he spoke out, now people are being found in places. Kelly Kunene is one of them who was found in a place where he shouldn't be in, right? So now I just decided to go to X and see what are people saying about this whole thing. So the investigator says, so Kenny Kunene was busy blaming foreigners for crime while having whiskey with people killing South Africans for exposing corruption. Then Lady M is saying, what if those raids Kenny Kunene was conducting was not to deal with crime per se, but to eliminate competition for the cartel? Remember, Gayton once said something about drug dealers taking over the market. Kira, what if? All these things I'm saying, I'm going to say allegedly, even though I'm reading them on TikTok, on Twitter, because yay! Right? All right, and Oamu said, Kenny Kunene and Gayton McKenzie, together with their PA, really fooled a lot of South Africans, including me. Let's consider this as a lesson. We cannot just anyone. Oh, he wanted to say we cannot just allow anyone to lead the country. Imagine the whole former inmate and Sushi King leading the country. I'll rather go for Malema. Oh, okay. No, I was kissing Bazalwane. Malema is not for me, but let's continue. Uslaughter says, criminals in the making. The city of Johannesburg is under mafias, and these are the faces of the mafia, which is Kenny Kunene and Gayton McKenzie. These are the leaders of South African. Yeah, these other words are very difficult to even say on YouTube because I love my account. Ne? So, Vusi says, Kenny Kunene's presence at DJ Somebody's Unaliver has just assisted the police to connect the dots. Watch the space. Remember Gayton McKenzie outburst after General Mkhwanazi's press. A 26 will always be a 26. All right, I get about 26, I get it fund one. Maybe get the number taba kombana ngo tsona he ba le ko stokising. Go itse mang. But guys, what is your story? If you missed the story, let me break it down to you. The story is reported by MDN News and it says, breaking news. Kunene found at a home of DJ Somebody, Unaliver accused. Patriarch Alliance Deputy President and City of Johannesburg Transport MMC Kenny Kunene was found at the Sandton residence of Katiso KT Molefe when police executed a raid on Monday morning, News 24 reports. Molefe accused of orchestrating the 2022 unaliving of Amapiano star Oba aka DJ Somebody Sefoka was arrested at the opulent property. Kunene was reportedly awaiting a scheduled meeting with Molefe at the time of the raid. According to sources, Kunene was not detained. He remained on scene briefly to provide a statement and was subsequently released. No charges have been leveled against Kunene. Molefe, who allegedly led a hired hit team in the brutal unaliving of DJ Somebody, was taken into custody and has already appeared in court today. This unexpected intercession of high-ranking political figures and Unalivers suspect has stirred speculations about the nature of them of their association. The arrest is part of a border police operation linked to the high-profile investigation. Authorities are continuing to urge the public to come forward with information that could aid in the unraveling of this complex case. Mina, in conclusion, I want to say, rise, General Mkhwanazi, rise. The people of South Africa will protect you. If you remained silent, all these things will not be unboxing. Thank you for opening the can of worms. Viva General Mukhwanazi. This is your girl, Adisebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe.